What if I told you that it's possible to own a bucket load of great pistols without a single Glock pistol? I do realize that Glocks are all over the place and the market is saturated with a boatload of incredible Glocks. Still, you have to understand that there's also a boatload of pistols on the market today that can perform better than your Glock. Before you conclude that I'm out of my mind, sit tight and allow me to show you 5 amazing pistols that will stand up against all your favorite Glocks anytime, any day, and perform better. I could go on and show you tons of them actually, but for the sake of this video, I'll show you just 5. Because you deserve to know the best of the best, I'll add one more bonus at the end so you'll get the full picture of what I want to make you realize. Okay, that's enough talk. Now let's get right into why I made you click this video, shall we? Walther's iconic self-defense pistol needs no further introduction, but for the sake of those who don't know why it's such an iconic handgun, I'll tell you. Both the military and civilians agree on the fact that the PDP judiciously serves its purpose. The prominent design is the first notable feature of the Walther PDP, whether you're looking at the full-sized or compact variant. Walther pistols are renowned for their detailed design, and the PDP took their quality up a notch. Not to dwell so much on the design, but another exceptional feature that makes the PDP a contender against any Glock is the trigger. Glocks are generally known to have a nice trigger, but the PDP's trigger is more than just nice. It's crispy with the smoothest operation. I don't know how excited you get shooting other pistols, but when you take a hold of the Walther PDP, everything falls in place to give you the most enjoyable shooting moments, even during a self-defense scenario. To take it even further, both the full-size and compact variant of the Walther PDP delivers immense accuracy. The gun's durability sustains it through various conditions. No matter how many times you pull the trigger, you get the same consistent, unbeatable response even by a Glock 19. Not to leave out the fact that this iconic firearm is lightweight, holds up to 18 rounds, and costs $699. If the main reason you're stuck with Glock is because they can be budget-friendly, newsflash, the Steyr M982MF is also budget-friendly. You guessed it right, it's better than the Glock pistol you're stuck with. Let's go off your insecurities and check out the M982MF, a modern combat pistol that can last faster than many combat pistols without malfunctioning. The stock trigger on this thing feels so good and works better than a standard Glock trigger. It's a full-size striker-fired pistol with a 17-round magazine capacity and is equipped with trapezoid sights. What I find most appealing about the Steyr M982MF is the relative ease of reaching the magazine release and the smooth drop of the magazine. The magazine release is just at the right spot, so you don't have to break your grip to comfortably reach for it. This is a plus when you have to carry out fast reloads while still maintaining the target. The grip is interchangeable, its control is ambidextrous, and the frame is modular for convenience. Unlike Glocks that are known for accidental discharge, the trigger safety on the M982 ensures that you and those hanging around you are protected from accidental shots. However, accurate intentional shots are guaranteed, and this power-packed weapon's performance is reliable, selling for about $370 to $400. The Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro is a one-of-a-kind, precision-oriented means. Fashioned after the Springfield Armory Hellcat, the Hellcat Pro embodies what it means for a model to be an improved version of its predecessor. Taking on the performance of a duty-sized pistol being compact, the Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro directly matches and exceeds the Glock 43 and 48 in performance. Its delivery of power is unmatched by any other, and it stands out as one of the best defense pistols the company has ever produced. For more comfortable handling, the Hellcat Pro features a grip slightly longer than the Hellcat, making it convenient to shoot regardless of hand size. Its abrasive grip texture gives you that steady hold and assurance that the gun won't slip out of your hand easily. Along with high accuracy, the Hellcat Pro offers great reliability. Despite being a high-quality engineered firearm, this gun's operation is slightly easy to master, making understanding and manipulating the pistol as easy as pie. There's hardly a time when the Hellcat Pro refuses to fire a round. This is a result of its intricately designed parts. Overall, the Hellcat Pro features a 3.7-inch barrel, a 15-round magazine, a lightweight of 21 ounces, and a sleek housing. It's chambered in 9mm and has a striker-fired operation, and if you desire a shooting experience more pleasurable than a Glock can ever offer, you should try out the Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro. It goes for around $634. You're probably so obsessed about Glocks because you haven't shot a gun like Canik's TP9 Elite Combat. One thing about Canik pistols is that they're high-performance handguns that look too dang pretty for how much they're worth. Not only do you get a better shooting gun, but you also get to keep a pretty lady by your side in case you need company. You get what I mean? I have to mention, however, that although you can get a crazy good Canik gun for as low as $300, the TP9 Elite Combat is way above the price range. Well, this pistol outperforms many handguns that cost up to $1,000, and it's fascinating to know that the quality of a pistol doesn't necessarily depend on its price tag. The Canik TP9 Elite Combat is a low-recoil striker-fired pistol called the Ultimate Canik. This gun's outright mind-blowing performance, precision, durability, and reliability make it a go-to choice for combat. It's equipped with a threaded match-grade barrel and a trigger so crisp it makes each pull count for its powerful response. Its Cerakote polymer frame, steel rails, and 15-round magazine are top quality, and the gun comes with 4 red dot mounting plates compatible with almost every MRDS on the market. Simply put, you can't find a Glock as lovely as the Canik TP9 Elite Combat pistol. Southpaws particularly find the Heckler and Koch VP9 astounding as it offers great versatility and ease of use for both right and left-handed shooters. Cherished for its unique performance and undeniable accuracy, the VP9 remains highly respected among shooters of all categories. Not only is it outstanding in performance, but the VP9 also allows you to tweak it a bit to suit your needs. From self-defense to home defense, this powerhouse effectively handles any situation more than a regular Glock can ever dream of. The trigger pull is light, smooth, and crisp, and when it comes to speedy reload and rapid fire, trust the VP9 to do a clean job. Whether you need it for timeout at the range or for actual self-defense scenarios, the Heckler and Koch VP9 offers a shooting experience far beyond average. All of its parts are nicely packed and neatly fitted to give the pistol an elevated appearance, the kind that's relatively easy to find your way around. The VP9 is a lightweight 17-round pistol that very few Glocks can compete with in terms of performance. For as long as this pistol has remained on the market, shooters, especially seniors, don't get enough of it. The VP9 is one of those premium handguns you need to be prepared to pay beautifully for and be assured you get the worth of your cash. Bonus pistol time. To further drive home the purpose of this video, allow me to add the Sig Sauer P320 to this list of guns that are better than Glock. The compact Sig P320 is equipped with enough power and features to make it an easy replacement for Glock. Its sleek design, concealable profile, and top performance qualify it for a spot high above any Glock in its category. Having scrutinized the performance of various concealed carry pistols on the market, we've come to realize that very few strike a balance between size and performance, and the Sig P320 is unsurprisingly among the selected few. If you're picky with regards to concealed carry guns, the P320 would easily match your fancy just by how seamlessly impressive it performs. So there you have it. You now have the list of pistols that can easily replace the Glocks in your collection. To all Glock fans, don't take this personally. It's only our honest opinion. If you want to discover more about the specifications of each pistol we reviewed in this video, do well to check out our recent uploads, and we're sure you'll find some helpful information. If you have any thoughts or experiences with any of the guns on our list, please share them with us in the comments below. We'll be most excited to engage with you. You know we can't just let you go without asking this favor, right? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on all things guns and firearms. We hope to see you next time, so don't forget to turn on notifications for all of our videos. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.